Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to put your YouTube videos inside your website or how to embed your YouTube video inside your website. Let's start our video. We'll create a HTML file. We'll give title as YouTube video. Also we'll link CSS file. Style.css. Now we'll create a division with class name image iframe container. Inside container will embed our YouTube video. I have this video in my website. I will go to share option and here you can see embed option. Click here. Now copy this link from there, Ctrl C, and paste it here, Ctrl V. Now save this file. Let's preview this with OpenLive server. You can see this video link, YouTube link shown in this website. We can give some style to this link. We have container name iframe container. Copy this, paste here, position relative, width 100, width will give around 60%, margin auto, height 0, and padding bottom 24%. We can see this here. Now let's go to frame, iframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, position absolute, top 0, left 0, height 100%, width 100%. Also we can write here text align center. Now you can see this video. We can run this video. Also it is responsive as well. Look, this is responsive. When you increase the size of device, it becomes fully responsive.